Hi guys. So today I'm gonna make a mandala because I feel like making some invitations like wedding or baby shower, and I want to make some using a mandala. So the first step is and excuse my little cheap dollar store stylus. For some reason my Apple Pencil stopped working, so I gotta go see if I can return that tomorrow. So I'm gonna hit plus here, and then square. And then once you got this square screen, squares are best for making mandalas, you're going to go to the drawing guide and toggle that on, and then edit drawing guide, then hit symmetry, options, and then you can pick any of these, but I'm going to pick, you can pick vertical, horizontal, quadrant. I'm going to pick radial. And then up here you can see the colors. You can change the color of these lines, the grid you're going to follow. And I'm going to make it white because I'm going to do a transparent background so that way you can see it. So hit done, and then I'm going to get rid of the background color. So see how you can see this now? So you can see the size of my mandala right there. So I'm going to start right here. See that looks big when you zoom in, but see how small it is when you zoom out. So I'm just going to start making a mandala. So I want to make sure I'm not doing it too thick or big. I'm going to go down even a little bit more. That's the thing about these styluses, is they're not as detailed as the pens. The pens work much better, but I'm just dealing with what I have right now. So it looks so pixelated on here, but it won't be when you zoom out, and then I'll run it through a program to vectorize it so it's not so grainy looking. See how simple and pretty? You can make a mandala so easily. But see, that's just a small part of it. So anyway, you got the idea. So I'll do a couple quick time lapses of a white, blue, and teal mandala that I drew. Procreate, the program, the app that I'm doing this on, lets you do time lapse videos of all your drawings. It's kind of cool. And then here's some of the products that I made with them. I make products on Zazzle with the art I do on my tablet with the Procreate app. So here's some things from the wedding collection that I did. So stop by and check it out. I'll make a lot of things with this, not just wedding stuff, but here's the wedding invitations and save the dates and stuff like that. So hope you like it, and if you want any other tutorials, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my art. Bye bye.